source where we already painted the color match the vehicle. So it's ready to install just like how we're doing it right now. Hey guys, welcome from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on removing this right side fender on this 2017 Chrysler 300C. If you guys haven't watched the video on removing the front bumper, go ahead and watch that up above. But I'm going to show you guys how to remove the fender on this one. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And if you guys need this fender for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. Let's go and get started. Alright, so take off the fender. We're going to start off right here. So you guys go right here. It's going to be, let me remove these push pins right here. There's going to be two of them. This one's missing down here. There's another one right here. Okay, so we're going to take that off first. So go ahead and come right here. Wedge it out. Let me show you guys what that looks like. So some people use a flathead, but using a flathead might damage the paint. Basically what it is this thing right here, this tab. You're just pressing down on it like this. With this thing, what it does is it press down on it, and then just pulling. Now you got that thing out of the way. Okay, that's all you pretty much need. You don't need to take the whole thing off. And the reason why we want this side skirt off is because if you look down here, right there, you're gonna see two 10mm screws. So we're gonna take that off. Alright, so that thing looks like that right there. Alright, once we remove the side bolts, there's going to be bolts right here. But what that looks like on the other side, because that one's already damaged, these bolts right here, but this bracket's missing from there. Okay, so that's the only thing that's missing on that side. Alright, again, that's going to be a 10mm. Alright, we're going to turn the wheel around. So what's going to happen is that we're going to need to pull this fender liner back. What you're going to notice is right back there. Let's see if you can see it. Oh, there it is. See that bolt right there? That's going to be a 10mm bolt that we got to take off, okay? Actually, you don't have to take it all the way off. You just have to loosen it so the fender liner, why do you keep saying fender liner? Well, the fender can come off, okay? This is a guide point, basically. Well, the bolt is right there. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Alright, so if you guys look right there, there's this cover right here, and all you do is gonna push it out of the way. There we go. So we just push that to the side. I don't think there's any bolts back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off right here. Ooh, that came flying. It looks like that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the new fender and the bracket on the new fender. And then I'm going to go ahead and install. Alright guys, so here's our new fender right there. And again, if you guys need this fender for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source, where we already painted the color match your vehicle. So it's ready to install just like how we're doing it right now. The only thing that's gonna hinder you guys from actually putting this on correctly is that bracket right there, okay? Let's see. Make sure the fender bracket is in front. Don't say anything. Car's just dirty. So we're gonna line it up first right here. Put that bolt in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up, but just watch the gap, make sure the gap doesn't change. So nothing's tight yet, everything's just like kind of in place. Now I'm gonna put this bolt in place right here. So keep on adjusting until the gap is perfect. I'm gonna loosen that up. And I'm gonna go to the bottom and tighten up those screws. Alright, so the side looks good. So before I tighten up the top, I shouldn't have any problems on the top, but just in case I'm gonna drop the hood. Go ahead and put these screws in. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten up all the bolts. Okay, let's go ahead and put the fender liner back in place. Fender liner, the side skirt. So all you do is push down on it. So just bang it back into place right here. Alright guys, that's how you install a passenger side fender for a 2017 Chrysler 300C. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.